Here we go. What's going on, guys? Let's see if can you guys hear me okay? I know I'm speaking super lightly. How are you guys all doing today? Can you guys Yep. Okay, sounds good. There we go. Alrighty. A bit low resolution. Okay. I am going live off of my laptop. 100%. Are you sure I'm awake? Yeah. I had to move to this like living room area, and I'm gonna try to be as quiet as I could, or as I can, right? Um, but just gonna really focus on uh, the technicals and you know try to trade off of that. So goes. Go 1 second. Strong downtrend on /CL. Just so you guys could see, I have no open positions. Everything's been closed out, right? But yeah, so shop just broke above. What's going on, Kurt? What's up? What's up? Sounds like you're on a plane. I think those are the fans. Huge push up on /NG. So, okay, so I'm just gonna try to explain this once so we can all kind of get an idea. It's 3:36 a.m., 3:37, as you guys can see on my right hand side of the screen, with where I'm at. I'm in the living room. I can't be speaking too loud, right? And I really just wanted to go live, and if possible, just focus on you guys being able to like see my screen. I'm gonna try to point and annotate, right? Like or animate everything that is that I plan on doing, and this should really just be for today, and moving forward I should have that little office the days that follow. So hopefully that's okay, right? And we can kind of go from there. So alrighty, here we go. Strong push up, right? Wow. How many of you guys are watching or were watching natural gas during pre-market hours? Yeah, natural gas making higher highs. I set my alert here just because of the margin, right, that it has for a potential sell-off for gas and for the overall reversal. So, okay. Some of you guys are watching /CL. Just a reminder to all those who are looking for something with a consistent pattern. Don't forget about SHOP, right, on the 180-day chart, just so you guys can remember this one, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I think Miles is bringing up a great point that, wouldn't be surprised if natural gas just continues to push up all day. Definitely something that, you don't want to trade against when the overall pattern is just aggressively uptrending. Of course, I would really, we're getting some consolidation, right? We're getting consolidation around this general area. So I would say, give it time for it to identify its direction. Are we going to continue to, sell off? And if so, give it time to identify that. Are we going to see signs of higher highs? If so, then, give it time for it to identify that. So that's why I have my alerts already set. Okay. Nope, I'm still here. I've just been focusing on the different technical analysis right now. /CL still making lower lows. As you guys get to here, look at the MACD, look at the RSI. So the more that /CL sells off, the more that DWT then pushes up. Yeah, I'm still in Hawaii. I'm gonna be in Hawaii until Saturday, so I'm here all week. Let's see what we got going on here. Waiting for confirmation for lower load on /NG. Yeah, I'm still waiting for lower lows for there to be a break of pattern here. Natural gas is not pulling back yet, so I'll have my alert ready. So here. So we're getting, there it goes. First break below the EMA line. There we go, just got filled. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of time for this thing to to continue to sell off. Here we go. I got in with 200 shares, just so you guys can see right here, 200 shares, which is equivalent to about $26,000. So, and there it goes, pushing up. Oh shoot. There it goes, getting rejected. Uh, Potential support, a lot of consolidation here, looking at the MACD, looking at the RSI, potential support for natural gas. Definitely not the best sign for me, but there we go. All right, looks like a potential support forming. Look at the MACD again. Just waiting for the price action to follow. If so, we'll have to. Well, I will have to cut losses on this. But yeah, there it goes. Got the rejection. The MACD starting to descend. So this is where I'm gonna have to wait. See what we got going on here. Yeah, it's not that there's no sound, it's that I'm just, like I said earlier, I'm just not going to be commentating too much. So, again, you guys should be able to see what it is that I'm looking at and waiting for just by looking at my screen. So, potential reversal on /CL. We're getting a lot of consolidation on natural gas. So, there it goes. Again, just waiting for natural gas right now. A lot of consolidation here. Looks like it's already at a resistance. I have a question for you guys. For all those that are tuning in right now, what's it called? I wanted to ask, do you think that it would be better that instead of me going live and like right now, for me to just update you on what I think is overbought and oversold and the direction of something in the trade idea section? Would that be, you think, more efficient for both sides? Okay. Appreciate you, Ryan. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Trade ideas is better. Oh, I'm not tired at all. Um, there it goes. Okay. I like that idea. So even if I end up just screen sharing, that would be alright with you guys. Sweet. Okay. I wanted to ask. Appreciate you. Thank you guys. Alright. Here it goes. So again, still a lot of consolidation on /NG. Appreciate you guys. Here we go. bouncing back again. /CL making lower lows, as you guys can see right here. So that's in favor again of DW2. So for all those that are trading something that's influenced by the overall market, keep a close eye on /NQ and /ES. There we go. A lot of consolidation. Alright, team. This is pretty much what I've been waiting for this whole time. There it goes, selling off. So again, we've seen a really solid support on natural gas around this general area, and yeah, it just hasn't been going according to plan. So we'll see how it performs right now, and see. And there it goes. So it's still selling off. Diaz is pushing up. So it looks like natural gas is trying to pick up again. Overall, as of right now, one of the things that I do have to understand is that, Diaz is a descending pattern, although it did push above the EMA line. Yeah, it's still, been selling off and stuff like that. So regardless of what it's showing, I need to make sure that I take that into consideration. Too much consolidation. I agree. It makes it very uneasy, right, on whether something is going to go up or down. So it makes it more difficult to trade. There it goes. Do I still believe it's going to sell off? It's not that I believe it's going to sell off, it's that, it hasn't been making higher highs or anything just yet. We're getting a lot of consolidation. So, if I didn't have so much money, I'm just trying to explain my thought process, right? So if I have like 10% of my account in right now, I would feel extremely comfortable because it's still in this consolidation phase. It's not making higher highs, it's not breaking a pattern, nothing like that. There's still a lot of margin, right, for a pullback, more in comparison for a profit. I can manage my risk here with all this for a profit. That's the way that I'm looking at this right now. Because of the dollar amount that I have invested in my trade right now, it makes me uncomfortable holding while there's just so much consolidation. That's why. It's not that I think that there's a break of pattern. I think that if anything, it's been making these lower highs, right? It's been, it's still, the EMA line is still staircasing down. We just haven't been able to really break this support. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. Nice, nice. Do I have 1,000 shares? No, I don't have that many. So right now, again, I'm just waiting for this thing to maybe sell off or push up to identify more of a clear direction, so then I can either manage my risk or close out my position. Here it goes. What's going on? Tic Tacs, what's up? Welcome to the team. Alright. Looks like we're getting closer. Again, it's doing this like very slow upward staircase pattern. Do you guys see this, right? And it's doing almost the exact opposite for natural gas. Do you see this, right? So if and only if it continues, it could 100% break its pattern. So this is just what we have going on right now. I generally just want to close out this position right now. Oh, It's finding a support once again. Look at this. Support, 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 support. A lot of consolidation. Andrew. And there it goes. Oh, oh my gosh. There goes the sell-off. Okay. Again, you can't win them all. Well, I guess we still won this one, but to that degree, right? Crazy. And there it goes. Even in Hawaii, you could sell too early. Look at that. Look at that push. Wow. Talk about FOMO, right? Yep, my patience was definitely tested today. How come you don't re-enter? It's sold off enough right now that it's probably going to try to correct itself, and I don't want to go in when, just due to FOMO, right? The fear of missing out. Yeah, it can continue to sell off, but, it also makes sense on why it can find the support. So, again, like, I'm traveling and I just don't want to overtrade. I don't want to overcomplicate it. I made a mistake, right? I got in when it was consolidating too aggressively, which makes me feel like I was dragged along, right? And then when the action is about to happen, we've talked about this multiple times. When the action is about to happen, I close out my position. I make a little bit of money, right? Not bad. But again, I miss out on the big chunk. So that's exactly what happened today. It's fine. I still, can't complain. But yeah, just like Mace is saying, green is green. So, alrighty, guys. But let's see. I hope that you guys at least enjoyed what some part of this live stream. If you guys have any suggestions of what you would like to see while I'm going to be here in Hawaii for the next 3-4 days. I'm going to be here until Saturday, so yeah, just feel free to let me know, and then we'll try to see if we can make it happen. We're always open to suggestions, but again, please don't get upset if we end up not agreeing or seeing eye to eye. So yeah, thank you guys again for your time. I really do appreciate it. Let's focus on locking in profits, having a clear direction, and anytime an opportunity or anytime a resistance presents itself, not be afraid to lock it in, right? I would like to see an entry and exit analysis that you talked about consolidation through. Yeah, well, I mean, you saw my entries and exits on this trade, and I was commenting, so I feel like ultimately that would either be a recap, right, that I could upload on YouTube and stuff like that. So, sweet. I like that. I really do appreciate you guys' time, and I wish you guys an amazing rest of your Tuesday morning. Take it easy, team.